This is your 2025 travel guide. Japan is known for its vibrant cities, ancient temples, and unique culture. Let's explore the top things every first-timer must know before visiting this amazing country. Japan is a dream destination, and the best time to visit really depends on what you want to see. Spring, from March to May, is cherry blossom season, super popular but crowded. If you miss the peak bloom, no worries, there are still gorgeous landscapes and fun festivals. Autumn, from September to November, is all about stunning red and orange leaves, especially in Kyoto and Hokkaido. The weather is just right for hiking. Winter, from December to February, turns Hokkaido into a snowy paradise, perfect for skiing and relaxing in an onsen. Summer, from June to August, is lively with the Tanabata festival in July, but it can get really hot and humid, so pack light and cool clothes. Japan is packed with jaw-dropping natural wonders you've gotta see. Mount Fuji, the tallest peak and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is stunning year-round, even if you can only climb it in summer. Check out spots like Lake Kawaguchi and Hakone for killer views. Staying at a traditional ryokan nearby is a must for that authentic vibe. Then there's the Sagano bamboo forest in Arashiyama, Kyoto. Walking through those towering bamboo stalks feels like you've stepped into a fairy tale, so chill. Don't miss the nearby Tenryuji Temple with its gorgeous gardens. And if you're up for some fun, head to Jigakudani Monkey Park in Nagano, where you can watch Japanese macaques soaking in hot springs. Seriously, it's an experience you won't forget. Then there's Kyoto, the ancient capital, packed with stunning temples and traditional tea houses. Walk through the famous Fushimi Inori Shrine with its thousands of red gates and snap a pic at Gion District's wooden stage. Don't forget Osaka, the city known for its street food and nightlife. Dotonbori is a foodie paradise with takoyaki and okonomiyaki. Plus, check out Osaka Castle and the Tempozen Ferris wheel for some epic views. No trip to Japan would be complete without trying its delicious food. From fresh sushi to hearty ramen, Japan has something to satisfy every foodie's craving. Don't forget to try local specialties like takoyaki, deep-fried octopus balls, okonomiyaki, savory pancakes, and kushikatsu, deep-fried skewers. And if you're feeling adventurous, try fugu, the poisonous pufferfish dish. To get the most authentic flavors, visit local street food markets and festivals. Finally, some essential travel tips. Invest in a junior pass for unlimited bullet train rides. It's cost-effective and allows for hassle-free travel. Remember to always remove your shoes before entering a home or traditional inn. It's a sign of respect and cleanliness, and when traveling in Japan, speak quietly in public transport. It's considered rude to talk loudly and disrupt the peaceful atmosphere. As we wrap up our tour of Japan, we hope you've added this incredible destination to your 2025 travel list. Japan is a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, ancient temples and futuristic cities, making it a truly unforgettable destination. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels!